Here we are back at our Kaufman, Texas renovation. After we got rid of a few layers, we were back to the original brick and it was time to do some structural repairs. We started on the roof with the help of our old friend Ramon and his team. They tore off the old roof and worked with Tony to make some repairs. They put down some ISO insulation and then some bright white TPO, and voila, a new roof. We worked our way down, replacing damaged brickwork and patching up masonry problems, which probably led to the building being covered with sheet metal back in the 80s. The original building was built with Corsicana cherry red bricks, which turned out to be pretty hard to find, but we managed. Tony ordered a date brick and installed it at the top of the building. He also found some brick and grout stain for blending in various repairs. We'll see how that goes. At the end of the day, we were able to rehome the lovely old piano, and it will continue making music and making people happy. Once they got it on the truck and delivered it anyway, but it's off to a good start. Stay tuned for new windows and doors coming soon. You can follow us at Tony Collins Art on YouTube, X, and Instagram, and also our website, tonycollinsart.com. Bye for now.